Our brains are amazing. They think about problems, tell body parts to move, tell the stomach how to digest, future out what we see, taste, smell and touch. They are the boss of the body. They tell everything else how to work and when to work. They are even responsible to feel happy, excited, scared, mad, sad, etc. Like all body parts, brain can sometimes have problems working correctly. And this can lead to mental illness. When brain disorder occurs, patient will not be able to coordinate the move, and if disorder is serious, the patient will fall down,